Good morning, gourmet friend. I am Gérard Garbé, the French chef. Today, something special on the menu. I have been invited by Mima and TB. We are famous for the successful fishing show called Happy Fisherman to demonstrate how to cook clams. It was an honor and a privilege to be on the Australian show, aired every Saturday. And thank you very much again, TB and Mima, to include me in your fishing show. You can watch the complete show on YouTube, channel Happy Fisherman, episode 55, Chasing Squid. Okay, let's see now how to cook the clam served with a rice pilaf and a bruschetta.
Well, today we got a special treat for you guys, and that's French chef Gérard Garbé. He will give you some beautiful recipe of how to prepare pipis, or as he calls them, clams. It's just awesome.
Good afternoon, Mima and TB. Thank you for having me in your beautiful kitchen. And also, congratulations for bringing this beautiful clam.
Well, thank you so much for coming.
Mima, it's an absolute pleasure for me to be there. We're going to start with the rice, butter, shallots, salt and pepper. First thing to do, Mima, we're going to dice the shallots.
Anything special about it?
Oh yes, can you see that's the base? And this base actually holds the whole shallots. Other way, if you start to cut this way, you'll be losing everything on the board. Okay, you hold the shallot like that and you make little. And then you make them horizontal. And as you can see, it's all in once. If you start by here, you'll be losing everything. Now, see, you cut and you got very fine shallots, Mima, like a machine. When you push the shallots, don't use the blade, use the back. Other way, your knife, they won't be sharp for a long time. Now, we're going to start to make the rice. Heat up the pot, and we're going to make the butter. Okay? And at the same time, we're going to add the shallots. And during this time, I'm going to ask Mima to help me to boil the water. This water represents 1/2 the volume of my rice. I'm going to melt the shallots, but we don't want to cook them and burn them, okay? Now, what we do, we add the rice in one go with 2 bay leaves, and we want to be sure that you mix every piece of rice, every grain of rice, mix in the batter. Now you got your water boiling. You can add your boiling water in one go in my rice. Beautiful. And now, that's getting hot. You can put salt and pepper and pepper. Now, we boil again. And when it starts to boil, I'm going to transfer the rice in this dish. Okay? To cover and put that in the oven without touching it for 20 minutes. we're going to chop the parsley. I use the Continental parsley, which gives much more flavor. Now we're going to crush the garlic. Done. Rice is ready. Look at this, Mima. Oh, nice. See? Beautiful. Let's cook the clam now. Okay, Mima, let's do it. Butter.
Butter.
Mima, she's good. She knows exactly what's go in in a dish. Now, what's next?
Shallots.
Shallots. She did well. She has learned on the previous lesson. That's good. Then after,
Garlic.
oh, what an apprentice deluxe! Fantastic. After,
Wine.
the wine. No, here.
Here.
Excuse me. No. Now, when it's boiling, we can put our beautiful clam, baby. Oh, nice, fresh. Just give a little bit of like that. Now we put the capers to give it a bit of flavor, and the parsley.
Continental. Put some pepper.
Pepper, okay. So you put the lid. Okay, just half a lemon juice. And you have to cook the clam for 5-6 minutes until they all open. Okay. Now we finish off. Nice parsley on top, presentation, and we put the butter. Oh, butter. That'll be very nice. Okay. Now we can dish up. That's the idea. We're going to dish up. Oh, look at this beautiful. Okay, that will be the first plate. Okay, bruschetta. Yummy. And here we're going to put the rice. Oop. Beautiful. The honor and the privilege to start your dinner.
I hope, I dream, I wish